Claims on social media and electronic media that Martin Amaewhule and 26 other people were reinstated as members of the Rivers State House of Assembly by the Supreme Court have been denied by the Rivers State government. State Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice Dagogo Iboroma clarified during a press conference in Port Harcourt that the Supreme Court did not issue any ruling regarding Martin Amaewhule and 26 other individuals' status as members of the Rivers State House of Assembly, nor did it issue any order restoring their membership. He stated that the government would have ignored the false narrative being spread by Amaewhule, his committee of friends and their lawyers, but had to put the record straight so as to correct the wrong impression and negative propaganda deliberately being fed to unsuspecting members of the public on the matter and the actions of the Apex Court.
The Supreme Court did not make any orders reinstating Martin Amaewhule and the 26 others as members of the Rivers State House of Assembly. Neither did the court make any findings on their status as members of the Rivers State House of Assembly, because it was like not a question for determination. Other than dismissing the suit and awarding costs which follows the event, the court took no other decision. So it is surprising that Martin Amaewhule and his lawyers have gone haywire in both print and social media to create a false narrative that the Supreme Court of Nigeria declared them as valid and substitute members of the Rivers State House of Assembly, that there was no such declaration. So all the meetings they held today are of no consequence. We are calling on members of the public to ignore the false narrative that is making the rounds and the propaganda by Martin Amaewhule and his lawyers.
Iboroma therefore called on members of the public to ignore the narrative and propaganda being spread by Martin Amaewhule and his lawyers on what transpired in the Supreme Court.